Okay, so magandang gabi. So let's solve no? Some board exam problems. Topic natin today is integral calculus. So kumuha ko ng problem from REE September 2015. What is the area bounded by the parabola x squared is equal to 8y and its latus recto? Okay, before natin solve yung problem, so this subject is as a prerequisite no nung analytic geometry. So since kailangan marunong tayong mag-graph ng mga lines, no, lines and para conic sections para ma-solve yung problem na to. Okay? So, before I start, so recap lang tayo, no? So this is an area problem. So, dapat mo tayo mag-drawing ng equation ng lines to para ma-analyze natin yung para ma-solve natin siya. Okay? So, onting recap lang tayo. Okay? Recap. So, for this problem, as you can see, observe the equation of the line. So, yung naka-square dito is yung ating x. So kapag naka-squared yung ating x, so we know, and then we have no plus constant. So, let's say plus 3, plus 1, plus 2. So the vertex, this is a vertex at origin. Okay, so recap, yun, we have a vertex at origin and it is a ang naka-squared yung x natin. So we have an x squared. No, this is our standard equation, plus and minus 4a y, no? So, ayan, pag makakita ka ng ganyang parabola na nakariten, standard equation like this. So, the parabola has two possibility na itsura. So, we have a parabola opens upward, which is a positive. So, ito yung kahalagahan nitong plus and minus. So, yung sign ng ating y. Pag positive, the parabola is opens upward, and kapag negative, the parabola opens downward. Okay? So, ano naman yung latus rectum pagdating natin dun sa parabola? Okay, so since alam na natin yung parabola natin is opens upward and then vertex at 0, 0. So, explain lang ng brief recap dun sa ating latus rectum. So, we have part nung ating parabola. So, we have the lowest part. So, we call it the vertex. No? Pinaka lowest part ng ating, the lowest or the highest part of the parabola, depending sa orientation. So that is the vertex. So when we have also the focus here, no? We have the focus. Okay, so ano yung latus rectum? Okay, the definition ng latus rectum, it is a line that pass through the focus, perpendicular through focus. So that is our latus rectum, no? The length of latus rectum. Okay, ayan. So, from this point, tawagin natin, no, from this your vertex to this point, tawagin natin na may sukat to na A, no, yung relationship ng variable constant dito na A, no. So, this is the length, no, yung distance ng focus from our vertex, that is A. And the length of latus rectum, so tatama siya dun sa point, no, ng parabola. So, this is our LR1, no, yung points ng latus rectum, and then our LR2. So, the distance naman ng ating LR from the focus is twice, no? 2A. Okay, so that's why the length of latus rectum is simply the summation ng dalawang distance. So, this is the parabola, equal yan. So, symmetrical. Pag natin yung parabola sa gitna, so we have a the same distance from the focus. So, the LR now is equal to 4A. Okay, so since alam na natin kung ano yung itsura ng ating parabola, no, so we can graph this problem. Okay, drawing ko lang. Yan. So, we have a vertex at 0, 0. Yan. Vertex at 0, 0. Okay, so paano natin hahanapin yung focus? Okay, so since yung focus daw natin is distance is from A. So, since we have an equation, x squared, no, is equal to 8y. Itong part na to. Okay, as you can see, you know, no, since positive siya, so that is 4ay. So this constant 8, that is also your 4a, no? But is which our 4a is also the length of latus rectum. So yun pa pala, hindi pa natin isolve. So therefore, if LR is equal to 4a, so therefore yung yung haba o length of latus rectum natin is 8. Okay, so substitute natin. So LR is equal to 4A. So since our length of latus rectum here is simply the 4A, that is the 8 is equal to 4A. Okay, to solve the value of A, divide mo lang this both side by 4. So therefore, A is equal to 2. So the focus is located, 2, no? Positive 2 quart. So 1, 2. So our focus as a plot point na, okay, so 0 yung x natin, and then positive 2 yung ating y. Okay, to find the latus rectum, para makomplete natin yung graph, we know that the LR is simply the twice, no? Yung sabihin, pag hinati natin yung parabola, no, sa dalawa, so itong distance nito is simply 2a, so therefore, since this is a parabola, symmetrical, so yung distance netong 2a is also the same din dito. No, isa lang yung mahanap natin. So the distance is simply twice the value of a. So therefore, so this is natin, yung length of latus rectum natin is times 2 lang natin yung value ng a, so that is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our LR1, no? Yung point na dadaan dun sa point na to, no? That is from then the nag-move ka, no? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is 4. And then ang height na is still 2. Okay? So ganun din sa kabila. So since this is asymmetrical, so this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our LR2 naman, no? Yung ating points ng latus rectum na pangalawang tumama dun sa ating parabola. So since negative yung direction natin from the x-axis, so this is our x and y-axis. So this is negative 4 and then the height is still 2. Okay, so pagkabitin lang natin, dito kasi dadaan yung parabola natin. Yan. Sorry, dinag-drawing ng parabola. Yan. Okay, so yun, parabola natin. Okay. Yan. Okay. So this is the length of latus rectum. Ito na yun. Nahanap na natin yung length of latus rectum. Yan. So, na-drawing na natin. So this is the problem. So we will look for the value of this area. Okay, so I will give you 3 solutions with same answer. So mamimili kayo kung paano i-solve nga, no? Paano in the way na i-solve, kasi meron tayong 3 solution here. So we can solve this problem using the vertical strip, the horizontal, and using the knowledge in solid plane and solid geometry. Okay, so unahin ko muna siguro yung solution natin. So since mayroon na tayong drawing, mas madali na yung ma-analyze yan. So solution number 1. So I will use first the vertical strip, no? Vertical strip. Okay, so vertical strip natin. Okay, so kuha tayo ng any point dito. So this is our vertical strip. Yan. So pag sinabi nating vertical, kukuha ka ng differential area, no? Differential area. So we call this differential A. Okay, ito ko lang lagay. So this is our differential area. Okay, so this small changes, so we call it dx, no? And para makuha naman natin yung height, no, ng ating rectangle, so kunin lang natin yung relationship. So from this point, okay, from this point papunta sa x-axis, so this is what we call the y lower, and the highest point from this point, no, distance naman nito from this x-axis, we call it the y upper. Okay, so para makuha natin yung length nito ng differential area natin, yung length niya is simply equal to y upper minus y lower, no? Okay, so doon na natin from this differential area, ito yung tsura nung differential area natin, no? So this is dA, so this is dx, and this distance nung ay yung length, no, yung height ng ating rectangle is y upper minus y lower. So relationship ng area, we say differential area. So this is a rectangle, so differential area is equal to y upper minus y lower multiplied by dx. Okay, to solve this problem, no, bago natin i-apply ng integration, so we know we are integrating with respect to x. So dapat lahat ng variable natin dito sa kabila, no, kasi may y upper and y lower, is in terms of x function tayo. So differential area is equal to y upper. Okay, what is the equation for our y upper? So yung equation yung taas natin, so this distance, no, ito pinakatuktok na to, no, yan yung ating latus rectum. Okay, so the equation of latus rectum here, so since this is a vertical line, so this is a y, no, y is equal to positive 2. So yung graph nito, so this is our y upper, and our y lower here, no, is simply ano ba yung tumama doon sa y lower natin? That is the equation nung ating parabola. So our y lower here is the parabola with an equation. So in terms of y, so since gagamit tayo ng substitution dito, no, gagamitin natin mismo yung equation ng line. So since x squared is equal to 8y, so y upper, so yung instead na x kasi yung gamitin natin kailangan in terms of x, no, hindi yung y. So therefore, okay, dito ko na lang pakita. So this is simply okay, so x squared is equal to 8. So this is our y upper. So to solve, to find out yung value ng y upper, that is x squared all over 8. So this is equal to, okay, x squared over 8. Yeah, okay. So ang ating upper ay 2 minus x squared all over 8, then dx. So since we have a dx now, so we now apply the integration here. So we integrate this both side, no, para ma-solve natin yung area. Okay, so area is equal to integral. Okay, so you are integrating from what? Okay, so we will sum up all this differential area from this. Again, this is x. Okay, we are solving for the differential area. X naman yung ginamit natin is vertical strip. So, dapat x din kukunin natin as limit. So, we are summing up all this differential area from this point up to this point. No? Isakop lang nung intersection nila. So, syempre, ano ba yung value ng x natin? So, from negative 4 to positive 4. So, from negative 4 to positive 4. So, 2 minus x squared all over 8 dx. So since this is a board exam problem, so we can use our calculator, no? Integral, okay, 2 minus x squared all over 8, no? So our limit is from negative 4 to positive 4, then equals, so that is 10.66, or that is 32 over 3. So therefore, the area is equal to 32 over 3 square unit. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is letter D. No? Letter D. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple gumamit. Okay, so we have another solution here. So we can also use the vertical strip. The horizontal strip here, no? So, same answer pa rin naman yung lalabas natin dyan. Okay, paano naman kapag horizontal strip yung gagamitin natin? So, how do we solve this problem? Okay, so, simple lang. Solution 2. Okay, solution number 2. So, we will use the horizontal strip. Okay, so, ganun din ba rin? Drawing ka lang ng differential strip. So, since kanina is vertical, ngayon naman ay horizontal, no? Nakahiga. Kuha ulit ng yan, value. Okay, yun. Huh? So, ito yun naman yung kinukuha mong area. Okay? Differential area. Okay? So, ngayon naman, we have a differential y. Okay? So, para makuha naman natin yung haba, no? Yung length naman nitong ating rectangle. So, from this point, no? Sorry. Okay, so from this point, no? Papunta dito sa pinaka-tumama, dun yung differential area natin, ito tinatawag naman natin na x to the right. Okay, so ito naman, yung point na to, no? Yung haba naman yan, so x to the right lang siya. Okay, itong rectangle natin. Okay? So, since gamitin natin yung times 2, bakit times 2? Okay? Kasi, pag kinuha natin, sinum up natin yung area neto from this point, no? So, pataas. Okay, times 2 lang natin para makapikat na rin tong kabila. Okay, so kasi may dalawang method so pwede rin kasi natin i-consider to, no? Or ito na lang, times 2 na lang natin. Kasi same lang naman eh. Kung makuha natin yung area, isum up natin yung area ng vertical strip from 0 up to positive 2, no? Times 2 lang natin. So since this is a symmetrical symmetrical yung ating drawing, okay, parabola. Okay, yung nakahigang parabola, no? So we know, para makuha natin yung total area nito, differential area is twice natin, no? Times 2 natin dun sa dA natin. Okay. Sorry. So times dA, 2 times, okay, xr, sorry, x right minus x left, then dy, okay, times 2. Okay. So since yung ating L is x to the left is equation na itong line na to na dumaan na vertical, that is x is equal to 0. Wala na yan. No, so dA is equal to 2 times xr. Okay, x to the right. So the equation kasi natin originally, that is x to the right naman. Okay, kapag x to the right naman, so that is x squared r is equal to 8y. So therefore, xr is equal to square root of 8y. Square root of 8y. Yung value ng xr natin. So this is square root of 8y dy. Okay, so you are integrating here from 0. So since y naman yung ginagamit natin, so we are integrating from 0 to 2. So apply integration. So this will become area is okay. So this will become area is equal to 2. Integral from 0 to 2 square root of 8y dy. Okay, so the calculator, integral of 2 square root, 2 integral of 2 doble. Ito lang to. Ano yung 2 eh. Okay. Integral of 2 square root of 8y. So x naman kasi dito, pero assume na y na rin yan. Okay, so from 0 to 2. So we have also 32. No? Therefore, area is equal to 32 over 3 square unit. Okay, so still the same answer. Okay, so ito pinakamadaling part, no, yung using naman yung ating plane and solid geometry. Okay, so unting recap tayo, no? So solution 3, no? I will use the plane geometry, no? Okay, sa board exam naman, mamimili kayo kung paano mapapabilis yung problem and anong asan mas komportable kayo na solution. So pinakita ko lang yung tatlong klaseng solution to solve this problem. So kapag plane geometry, basic lang. Kasi since buo naman yung ating parabola, recap tayo that if we are going to solve the value of the area of a parabola, no? So this is our height and this is our base. So we know that the area of parabola is 2/3 base times height, no? Ganun lang. So since alam mo na may parabola, alam mo na yung base eh. So the distance ng base natin ito yun. So yung parabola natin binaliktad lang. So parang ganito lang yung nangyari sa parabola natin, no? So nakaganon lang yung tama, nakaganyan yung orientation natin. So distance nito is 2. Yon. Yan, oh. Yung part na to, this is 2, di ba? Haba niyan 2, yung height, then yung length niya ayun. Ito yung height, 2, and then our length is 8. Okay? 4. So this is 8 pala. 8. no? Yung length of latus rectum. So this is 4 and this is 4. So 8. So this is 8. So therefore, area is equal to 2/3. Our base is 8 and our height is 2. Okay. So therefore, area is equal to, so 2 times 8 is 16 times 2, 32/3 square unit. Okay. So see, wala na akong integration ginawa dito sa solution number 3. Only the knowledge in plane and solid geometry. Okay, sa board exam naman, hindi naman yan pahabaan o pabilisan. Yan is about kung paano mo naintindihan yung problem. Okay? Thank you and have a good day.